Attorney Jan Crawford is our chief legal correspondent. Jan, as you might expect, Democrats accuse Sessions today of perjuring himself before Congress. What's the law on that?
Well, I mean, Scott, that is a very high bar, and I see no way Attorney General Sessions would be prosecuted for his testimony. I mean, to be convicted of lying to Congress, you have to give testimony that you know is false. And Sessions said this afternoon he was thinking the question related to whether he had contacts in connection with his role as a campaign surrogate, not as a U.S. senator. So in that context, and when you look at the actual questions, his statements would not be considered false under the law.
Now that Sessions has recused himself, what does that mean to the continuing investigation?
Well, I mean, Democrats are saying that Sessions' recusal is just not enough and is a little late since he's been in office for 3 weeks, and they're calling for a special prosecutor. Now, a spokesperson for Sessions says he will not be involved in those discussions, which means it will fall to the acting Deputy Attorney General Dana Bente, who was nominated by President Obama to decide whether or not a special prosecutor should take over the investigation. Because remember, Sessions' choice for deputy has not yet been confirmed by the Senate. And Scott, you're also seeing some calls for an independent 9/11 style commission to investigate any wrongdoing that might not rise to the criminal level.
And a special prosecutor, of course, would take the investigation outside the Justice Department. Jan Crawford for us tonight. Jan, thank you.